question, hypothetical question. If a woman is out with her husband, and an immodest woman is trying to talk to the husband excessively, for example, an overly welcoming waitress, sales, or Gentile neighbor, what should the wife do? Is she allowed to get upset in the situation?
No, upsetting. That's my wife also. She steps forward, she shields me, and then she takes over the conversation. That's it. So I'm behind. Right, the same like we go somewhere, for example, and there is like a host or something like man. So I go first, and she's behind. That's it. Or there is a woman. Some like I have to shake hands. Right, so she would shake hands with her and maybe hug you and like lead you, and I follow along. Understand? So that's yeah. There's no like to get upset at the husband. Like he's poor thing. He does not know where he hides himself. Understand? That's a wife role. So if you like push a woman, like to take over the situation, yeah.
Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So, this friend says, if the woman is acting inappropriately towards the husband, is the wife allowed to embarrass the woman?
I think not embarrassed, but husband also like have to understand it's time to go. It's time to leave. Understand? But yeah, she get involved, but it's better not to embarrass anybody. Right? Because some people they do not understand that it's not appropriate. But like these people like from this high school, like they eat, they go from the grocery store, they buy sandwich, and they have this aluminum foil, they drop it, like they stand like drop right like that, like animals. They do not understand what that's not appropriate. That's not what grown-ups do. Maybe 3 years old, like he lost the interest in banana. He just dropped it and went to see the dogs outside. That's I understand, but grown-ups don't do that. So some people are like that. We have to expect, right? So you have to walk away from them. You understand?
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.